everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful wealth building secrets of all time. Yes, the power of compounding. If you have ever wondered how the rich get richer or why some people retire with millions while others struggle, this is the game changer you need to know. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will be looking at your money in a whole new way. Let me ask you something. Would you rather work harder for money or make money work harder for you? If you had read Rich Dad and Poor Dad, you would probably say smart people let money work for them. And after this video, you are also gonna say the same. But what's the secret? Yes, it's compounding. It's how the wealthy multiply their money effortlessly. And today, I am going to show you exactly how you can do it too. And no, this is not a quick getting rich scheme, no. But if you master this, you will never have to worry about the money again. Sounds good, right? So let's go. Alright, let's make this super simple. Imagine that you have 10,000 rupees with you. Now, with simple interest, you earn money only on those 10,000. But with compound interest, you earn money on your 10,000 plus the interest you have already earned. Yes, one is growing linearly, whereas the other is growing exponentially. And that is the reason why Warren Buffett, one of the richest men alive, says compounding is the most powerful force in finance. And he's a living proof that because 99% of his wealth came after he turned 50 years. And that's the power of time plus compounding. Now, let's see this with the help of a real life example. Let's take a tale of two friends. So, we are bringing Rahul and Aman, two best friends. Both want to retire rich, but they take different approaches of investment. Rahul starts investing 5,000 per month at the age of 25, and he does this just for 10 years. Then he stops investing but let his money grow. And on the other side, Aman, he waits until 35 to start investing the same 5,000 per month and continues this until he is 60. Now, any guesses who has more money at the age of 60? Yes, think about it. Yes, the answer is Rahul wins. Now let's dive into numbers to see this. So as we saw that Rahul invested 5,000 per month and he started at the age of 25. So in these 10 years the total investment he does is of 6 lakhs. And on the other hand, Aman, he starts at the age of 35 and he invested for 25 years. And the total amount he has invested is 15 lakhs. So we can see that Aman has invested more amount in comparison to Rahul. But when we see to the value at the age of 60, where we have taken the rate of interest as 12%, we see that Rahul has gained 3.2 crores and on the other hand, Aman has gained 2 crores. But actually, Aman invested more amount. But so this is clear, right? Rahul is the winner. And what is the reason? More time is equals to more wealth. That was a 1.2 crore difference, even though Aman invested way more. But why? Because time in the market beats timing in the market. At the formula of compounding. So the formula of compounding is amount is equals to principal into 1 plus rate by n raised to the power n into t. So here A is the final amount, that is the amount that you derive after investing a certain amount over a period of time, and P is the principal, that is the initial investment you start with, and R is the rate of interest, and N is the number of times interest compounds per year. So it can be like monthly, quarterly, or annually, and T is the time in years. So the time period for which you are investing the money. And remember, more time is equals to more money. Let's put this into action with a fun experiment. Now imagine you invest 1 lakh at 12% annual return for 30 years. Now using the formula that I taught you just now, guess how much you would end up with. Yes, calculate it. Yes, the answer is 29.9 lakhs. Wow. That's the power of compounding. You didn't work harder, you let time and returns do the work for you. Alright, now that you know how compounding works, let's make sure you are using it the right way. So there are few pointers that I want to clarify. First is start early. There is no specific age of starting the investment. You can start it at any age. It can be 20 years, 25 years, 30, any age of your choice. And be consistent with your investment. Like if you have decided to invest a specific amount every month, so be consistent to invest that amount every month for sure, and reinvest your returns until and unless it is an emergency. Don't withdraw early, let your money work for you. And think of long term. Yes, it is very important to have a long term perspective, because let the magic happens over decades, not months. And also, patience plus consistency is equals to wealth. Now, here's where people mess up big time. Don't make these mistakes. First is starting late, because the sooner you start, the bigger the snowball is. And withdrawing early, if you break the compounding cycle, you lose the magic actually. And third is that ignoring the investment. Keeping money in savings account isn't going to make you rich. And also, I have made a video on dollar cost averaging where I've actually explained how you can invest your money in various portfolios. So do check that out too. And here a myth is busted actually, and that is that no, investing isn't just for rich. You can start with just 500, and over that time the amount will multiply, the magic will happen. All right, now you know the secret behind wealth building, the compounding. So, what's your biggest takeaway from today's video? Drop a comment below. And if you are serious about growing your wealth, hit that like button and do share and subscribe so that you never miss a golden tip. And see you in the next video now. Until then, keep investing and let the compounding do its magic. Bye.